So any account that I have, I classify it into three parts. What is the three part? First part is nominal account. What is the rule for nominal account? What is the rule for nominal account?
Debit all expense and credits. Expense and losses.
And credit?
Incomes and gains.
All incomes and gains. By this time, you all should know the names of expenses, losses, incomes and gains. So any expense and loss you have, you will always do what?
Debit.
Okay. And any income and gain you will have, you will always do
Credit.
credit. Second thinking point is from the point of view of real account. Which account? Real account. Real account means all the things that you can touch, see and feel. Can you tell me all the things that you can touch, see and feel?
Land. Motor vehicle. Cash. Bank.
Okay.
Machinery.
Machinery, very good.
Equipments.
Equipments, very good. So the golden rule for this is debit what comes in, credit what goes out. What is the golden rule for this?
Debit what comes in. Credit what goes out.
Debit what comes in,
Credit what goes out.
credit what goes out. So if it is coming in, what will you do?
Debit.
If it is going out, what will you do?
Credit.
Okay.
For
Now
example.
let's keep this in mind. Let's keep this in mind and do the first sum of our worksheet. Okay? We're going to pass journal entries. So I'm just going to crop this sum. What is the rule for nominal account?
Debit and credit.
Debit all.
Debit all expenses and loss, and credit all
Credit
incomes
all
and gains.
gains.
What is the rule of real account?
What is real account?
Things that you can touch,
Debit what
see and
comes
feel.
in. Credit what goes out.
What is the rule of real account?
Debit what comes in. Credit what goes out.
Yeah, what is the rule of real account?
Debit what
What
comes
comes
in.
in, what goes.
Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Okay? And real account is made up of things. Now you please see your first transaction, read the first transaction and tell me what is the first transaction telling you.
Cash. Debit.
First tell me what is it telling you.
That Sean started a business with cash 5,000.
Okay. Mr. Sean started business with cash. So here I have two transactions involved. The first transaction that is involved. Okay.
Yes, miss.
First transaction that is involved is cash. Second, when I am starting the business with cash, that means the second transaction that is involved is capital.
Yes.
And you all know capital always has which balance?
Credit.
Capital has which balance?
Credit.
Credit. So this is credit. So cash will automatically be debit.
Yes.
Okay. Now think from cash point of view. Is cash coming in the business?
Yeah.
So cash is coming in the business.
Yes.
Cash is a real account.
Yes.
What is the rule of real account?
Debit what goes in, credit what goes out.
Debit what comes in,
Comes in. Yes.
credit what goes out. So the journal entry that you will pass is cash, debit, capital, credit.
Yes.
Please do it along with me. Is this done?
Should we make it along with you?
Yes, yes, please do along with me.
The question right.
Come on. Tell me the two accounts that are involved in this.
What
What,
goes
miss?
Two
uh,
accounts involved in this.
cash and purchases?
Archman, I know you know. You please proceed. Let others think.
Okay.
Two accounts that are involved in this.
Two account.
Say,
Purchases and cash.
I bought goods. When I
Bought goods.
buy goods, that means it is purchases.
Hmm.
What is the second account?
Cash.
Okay, cash. First thinking point is what?
What,
Cash
miss?
and bank. Your first thinking point, your first thinking point will always be cash or bank. Okay? So I have
Okay.
cash over here. Cash is which account?
Cash is debit account.
Real
Oh,
account.
sorry. So,
Cash is which account?
real account.
Real account. What is the rule of real account?
Things that you cannot, that you, okay,
Debit
okay.
what comes in.
Credit what goes out.
What is the rule of real account?
Debit what comes in and credit what comes out. What
Credit
goes
what
out.
goes out. Please repeat the rule of real account.
Debit what comes in and debit what goes out.
Again, what is the rule of real account?
Debit what comes in and credit what goes out.
Okay. So you're buying the goods.
Yes.
Bought goods. Coming in or going out? Cash.
Cash is going out.
Cash is going out. So debit or credit?
Credit.
Credit.
Sorry?
Credit.
Very good. So cash is credit. So
Yes.
purchases will be
Debit.
debit. Okay.
Why, miss?
To purchase good, it is an expense for you, right?
Yes.
Since it is an expense for you, it is nominal account. What is the rule of nominal account?
Okay, nominal account debit uh, all expense and loss.
Credit all.
Credit all incomes and gains.
This is expense for you, so this will be debit.
Debit.
Okay. So
Yes.
what will be the entry that you will pass?
Okay, miss.
What
First
will
we
be the
will
entry that you will pass?
first we will write purchases. Purchases. In the debit amount we will write
2,000.
then cash and credit amount.
Understood?
Yes, miss.
And I'm giving you certain rules, okay? The rules whose debit and credit will never change. I'm giving you certain rules whose debit and credit will never change. Purchases. No, I will not give you. Purchases is always debit. When you purchase goods, it is always debit. Purchase return is always what?
Credit.
Credit. So I'm giving you some rules for debit and credit. Purchase is always debit. Purchase return always credit. What about
What,
sales
miss?
is always credit.
Yes,
Sales return always
credit.
next. Capital always credit. Drawings always debit. Trade receivables always debit. Trade payables always credit. These are some rules that you need to learn. When you pass journal entries, these rules will never change. Achman, as in when you're done with the journal entries, you can send me your work.
Oh, miss, you have to write this?
Miss, for number
Miss?
4, paid for paid,
Yeah, you have to write this.
paid for bills, miss. So what will be the entry?
Sorry,
Paid for bills.
I cannot hear you, dear.
Oh wait, I will rejoin.
Sorry,
I will rejoin.
what is the question?
Paid for bills, 100.
Sorry, tell me again.
Paid for bills.
Utility bills.
Yes.
You're not saying the question properly. So, what happened in this?
So cash will be credited because cash is going out. It's an expense for us, so it will be debited. Bills.
Utility bills. Come on, you all have written this?
No, miss.
Right, class, I'm waiting.
Yes, okay. Miss, can you go up also?
Where?
Yes, for paid.
No. Yeah, not this one. Miss. Down. Done.
Yeah, tell Achman.
On 22 Jan. Paid
22
for,
Jan.
yes.
Yeah, tell me.
Paid for electricity 200. So cash credit, electricity debit.
Yeah.
This time.
Go to the next. Answer the questions now.
Okay.
Achman. In the things.
Okay, miss.
Hmm?
Okay, miss.
See this question you will answer. They want cash as on 31st of January.
Okay.
How will you find the cash as on 31st of January?
We will add all of them.
All of the cash debit
Yes.
minus cash credit.
Okay. Fine.
Where are y'all? Rohel, Jonathan, where are y'all?
Here.
Did you all finish the first and the second one?
Yes.
Okay. Did you write the rules? Did you write the rules, Jonathan and Rohel?
Miss, almost done, miss.
Okay, come on. Who's going to answer this question to me? Sold goods of 5,000.
Okay. Miss, it will be credit, miss.
What will be credit? First, give the two accounts involved.
Okay.
Sales and cash.
Yeah.
Sales and cash. Okay. Sales is always.
Credit.
Debit.
I'll give you two tamach na, Jonathan. After doing it, making you write
Miss, I said
again and
credit.
again, giving you the rules, you can't correlate.
Miss, I said credit.
Sales is a nominal account. What is the rule of nominal account?
Miss, debit all expenses and loss. Credit all incomes and gains.
So what is sales for you?
Sales for you is
Income.
income, yes.
So credit.
Yes.
Sold goods of 5,000. So second account that is involved is
Cash.
cash comes in. Cash is which account?
Cash is
Real account.
real account.
What is the rule of real account?
Debit all what comes in and credit what goes out.
Okay. So when you're selling goods, money is coming in or going out?
Coming in.
Coming in. So if money is coming in, debit or credit?
Debit.
What will be the journal entry?
First sales credit amount and then cash debit amount. First we will write sales.
First you write the debit amount.
Debit.
So the journal entry will be
Cash.
cash debit, sales credit. 5,000. Come on. Now you'll do entry number 8 to 26. You'll have the notes with you, right?
I have already screenshot, miss.
Okay, fine. So now do entry number 8 to 26 yourself. Yeah, Achman, you come over here.
Yes. Yes, miss.
First thing that you have to calculate.
The cash.
How did you calculate?
So all the cash debit minus all the cash credit.
Okay, you can do like this also. When you're starting business with cash, cash is coming in.
Yes.
Here it is going out.
Yes.
Here it is coming in. Here it is going out. Deposited into the bank. Cash is coming in or going out?
Going out.
Bought goods from Mr. B.
This is on credit, right?
Credit transaction. Okay. Cash is going out. Cash is going out. So all the in minus out.
Yeah.
So 5,000
I got okay.
is 2,000 plus 5,000 minus 100 minus 500 minus 200 minus 700. 6,500.
Yes.
Then calculate your purchases.
8,000.
Total purchases.
Yeah.
Actually, you solve this entire till 7 and send me.
Okay.
And I will see
In
what.
number 5, I have small out.
So yeah, so send it to me.
Number 5, can you tell me?
So do till 7 and send it to me. Is this done? Eighth one. Rohel, Jonathan, is this done?
Ma'am, how do you do for the eighth question?
Yeah, the eighth transaction.
Yes.
What are the two accounts involved?
Um, Ma'am, that is my question. Which account should I write for this
You should know, na? When you're paying, which account will be involved? When you pay Jonathan, which account will be involved? Do you pay from the air?
Bank,
Cash.
cash, okay.
When you pay, which account is involved?
Cash.
And you've paid for what?
Utility bill.
These are just the journal entries, Achman, and the way of writing is wrong.
Miss, I sent you all of them.
Yeah, but the way you're writing a journal entry is wrong. How do you write journal entry? There should be space over here.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Now the two accounts involved are cash and utility bills. Give me the nature of these accounts, Jonathan.
Cash credit.
Give me the nature, real, nominal. Cash is which account?
Credit.
Real or nominal?
Nominal.
Read what is real, what is nominal.
Nominal debit expenses and losses, credit incomes and gains, and real.
Cash is which account?
Real.
Why it is real?
Because it's things that you can touch and see and feel.
Because you can see, touch and feel. Okay. So cash is which account?
Real.
Utility bill is which account?
Nominal.
Yeah, very good, Achman. Continue the 2nd of February, write the journal entry. What is the rule of real account? Yeah, Cap, I'm seeing the 5th one you have issues. After this, I will teach you. What is the rule for real account, Jonathan? Jonathan, did you write the rules?
Yes, ma'am. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out.
Okay. So you paid for utility bills. Is money coming in or going out?
Going out.
In or out?
Out.
What is the rule?
Debit what comes in, credit what goes out.
So what will I do for cash?
Cash, it's out, so credit.
What about utility bills? This will automatically be debit.
Yes.
Now put logic. What is the rule for nominal account?
Debit what comes in, credit what goes.
Nominal account.
Debit expenses and losses, credit incomes and gains.
Okay, debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. So utility bill is what?
Utility is debit.
Why debit? Because it is your expense. Why debit?
Because it's your expense.
Okay. Now tell me the journal entry.
Utility debit.
Utility bills debit.
Debit 100 in cash, credit 100.
Now one more entry I am doing with you. Achman, you proceed with the ahead one, okay?
Yes.
One more entry I am doing with you. Then what I'll give you as homework, you'll have to try the journal entries. Rohel?
Yes.
Are you with me?
Yes.
Give me the two accounts that is involved over here.
What?
Two accounts involved over here.
Gold or okay, deposit into bank. So that means you have cash and you have deposit to the bank. So
One is bank, and
yes,
what do you deposit into the bank? Cash.
cash.
Both are real.
Yes.
What is the rule of real account, Jonathan? Jonathan.
Real debit what comes in, credit what goes out.
So where it is coming in? Where have you deposited the money, Jonathan?
Bank,
So where is it coming in?
the bank,
So bank it is coming in. So cash is going.
Out.
out.
So what will be the entry? What will be debited? What will be credited?
Bank will be debit, cash will be credit.
Okay. What will I write?
Bank debit 500, cash credit 500.
Okay. Now I'm giving you all homework.
हाँ तो मामा एक second.